Hey everybody, we have our new craft kit out, and since it's November we decided to go with the Thanksgiving theme. So we are going to be making super silly turkeys. When you get your kit, it's going to look a little bit like this. It's going to have 3 colored pieces of paper, well 4 with the brown, and then a leaf and a large popsicle stick and 2 googly eyes. So if you'd like, you can just cut leaves of your own design out of here, or you can cut this out and make a template so that you can trace it onto the colored paper and then cut out your leaves. Sorry, not leaves. Turkey feathers. Turkey feathers. We're making a turkey, right? So then I cut out 6. I know the picture only has 5, but you can make however many you want. Then you'll take your brown piece of paper and you'll cut that into a circle. That's going to be the body of our turkey. Out of the scraps, after you cut out your turkey feathers, you can cut out a turkey beak, a turkey, I think it's called a wattle, and then 2 turkey feet. Again, just however you like that, however you think that would look cute. So then we're going to glue those on, and I'm just going to use this glue here. Okay, we're going to do this. Put these together. And glue the turkey feet there on the bottom. Oops. Doing this upside down, so I hope it looks right. And then we'll take, and I'm not sure, I think this kind of glue might work better on the googly eyes and the stick. Although, let's put the feathers on first. That might be a little bit better. And those are going to go on the back, and you can choose whatever pattern you like. I decided I like this one, huh? That's just going to get glued right on the back of our turkey body. So now let's put those eyes on right above the beak there. And last but not least, we will stick the popsicle stick on the bottom. And there you have your super silly turkey. At least you will as soon as it dries. All right, happy Thanksgiving, everybody.